In a globalized economy, seamless and intelligent freight transport is becoming ever more important. MagRail is a unique magnetic rail technology operating on existing railway tracks at speeds of up to 550 km per hour, thus boosting the competitiveness of rail transport. Existing tracks and the autonomous vehicle will be equipped with a linear motor used for propulsion and braking installed in the middle, and with a levitation and guidance system mounted on the sides. Modal shift from road to rail is needed. Nevomo's innovative technology presents the opportunity to make freight transport faster, flexible, efficient, and most importantly, more sustainable. Nevomo, into the future.